Welcome to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is mutton biryani. Let's get started. The ingredients are 6 green chilies, 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. This is 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and 1 lemon, 1 whole lemon. Here are the rest of the ingredients. I have taken 4 large sized tomatoes and chopped them really well. 3 large sized onions sliced. I have taken garam masala. I have taken 2 cinnamon sticks, 12 cloves and 4 cardamom. And this is half a cup of dahi or curd and 1 cup of oil. Now for the marination we need the salt, the ginger garlic paste, the chili powder, lemon juice and curd, and I have taken 3/4 of a kilo of mutton. Add the curd, add the lemon juice, the chili powder,
I'll put the salt. Now
the salt and the ginger garlic paste.
ginger garlic paste. I'll do a great job. I helped you.
And now we will mix it up really well
Very well.
and allow it to marinate for at least a minimum of 2 hours. If you are in a hurry, you can marinate it for half an hour. If you marinate it for 2 hours, it makes it nice and soft and juicy inside. You can see the marinade is done. Next, now let's adjust the flame. We will adjust the flame to medium high and place a cooker. We will be using a 7-liter cooker for this recipe. And now we will add the 1 cup of oil, followed by the garam masala and the onions, the green chilies, the mint leaves and the coriander leaves. We will add everything together and stir it for around 10 minutes till it is nice and soft. Please do not brown the onions in this recipe. We will saute it in the same flame for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, we can see that the onions are nice and soft and transparent. Next, we will add the mutton mix along with the curd. And now we will stir it really well and saute it for another 15 minutes in the same flame, medium to high flame. So after 15 minutes, we can see that there is slight moisture left. Next, we will add the chopped tomatoes.
And you have to saute the baby tomato
And mix it really well.
and
And we will leave it again to cook
And you will do something.
till the tomatoes are nice and soft. For around 10 more minutes, we will saute in the same flame. Please make sure that you keep mixing it every 5 minutes. Now we can see that the tomatoes are nice and soft and the gravy has also become dry. Now we will add a cup of water and close the lid along with the weight valve and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes till the mutton is nice and soft. If the mutton is hard, please bake it for minimum half an hour. For the rice, we will soak the rice after the mutton is half cooked. I have soaked 8 cups of rice in 7 cups of water. This is Zeerak Sambar rice. This gives a better flavor. And I have used 1.5 teaspoons of salt in this. Now mix it really well and allow it to soak for 15 minutes. And then we will add this to the gravy which we have prepared. After half an hour, I allowed the gravy to cool down and opened the cooker. Next, we will add the water along with the rice onto the same. In this way. And now we will mix it slightly. Now we will cook the rice by covering the cooker again for 10 minutes in medium flame and 5 minutes on extremely low flame. And then we will switch off the flame and allow it to cool down, and then we will serve. So here is the delicious and hot biryani. It is definitely worth a try. Please try it. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Corner.